Hello everybody. Today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to add about 25. That means we need to minus about 25. So this one we have 28. This one we can do about factorization by negative number 1. So this one that is about s plus number 5 everything to the power of 2 because this is about identities. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus number 5 equals to the square root of number 28 sine t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 28 sine t square, 28, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one I will put in here. ds we change for this one. So this one we have 28 sine t square. Number 28, we can do about factorization. And this one that is about cosine t square. The square root of this one, we have cosine t. And now we simplify the integration of dt. We have t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 28. And now we can find the value of t, that is about arcsine of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.